My name is Gretchen Burke, and I'm about to begin my second year as a PhD student in the chemistry department. I received the Robert and Jill DeMaster Fellowship, and this past year I joined the Bowser Group and began my research project on the study of catalytic oligonucleotides.
My name is Jared Anderson, and I'm a first-year PhD student in chemistry. I received the Robert and Jill DeMaster Fellowship.
Hi, my name's Julia Early. I'm a fourth-year PhD student in chemistry working for Professor Tim Lodge, and I received the Robert and Jill DeMaster Fellowship.
My project focuses on developing a droplet microfluidic system which will allow us to quickly identify small pieces of DNA or RNA that have the ability to catalyze a reaction. These catalytic sequences have the potential to replace traditional enzymes in biosensors, which would dramatically reduce the cost and improve the accessibility of such medical tests.
So my research is based out of the Harkeye laboratory, and I'm looking at a protein called NF-kappa B inducing kinase, or NIK. NIK is involved in the NF-kappa B pathway, which is important in different immune responses such as apoptosis and inflammation. I'm basically looking at different ways to target NIK, either for degradation through a molecule like a PROTAC, or just through allosteric modulation. This research could potentially have future impacts in multiple myeloma treatment and therapies.
So I study the equilibration kinetics of block copolymer micelles in ionic liquids. Block copolymer micelles are very similar to small molecule surfactants, which are often found in a lot of personal care products and detergents. And like these surfactants, block copolymer micelles can be used in a variety of different applications, such as drug delivery agents, viscosity modifiers for oils and lubricants, and they're also found in a lot of personal care products as well.
The potential applications of our project are especially fascinating to consider given our current COVID-19 pandemic, when we see such a huge need for low-cost and easily accessible testing on a major scale.
To expand the use of block copolymer micelles to more advanced technologies, we need a better fundamental understanding of how these micelles interact in solution and how they're formed. And so my research is focusing on trying to develop a more fundamental understanding of the equilibration of these micelles in solution.
Receiving this fellowship really just made a difference for me. It really helped me make my decision actually to come to the University of Minnesota, because it showed me that there are opportunities for fellowships like this at the U. And it also showed me that the university really cares about their graduate students. With that, I would like to say thank you, and I appreciate all the support you've given me in my research.
I was very grateful to receive the Robert and Jill DeMaster Fellowship last year. It has been really beneficial to have that extra financial support as a first-year graduate student, and it played a big role in my choice to choose the University of Minnesota and allow me to find a group and a research project which I really enjoy participating in. So thank you, Robert and Jill, for the support.
I'm incredibly grateful for this fellowship. It's allowed me to focus on my thesis research a lot more carefully and to produce 2 different publications over the past year without having the stress of worrying about where my funding is coming from. And particularly with the new development in the COVID-19 situation and working from home, it's been very great to have this fellowship, and it's made a big difference for me personally. So again, thank you so much.